Afternoon to all of you. Myself Sagar Pandya, class 9G. Today I am here to represent a wonderful topics that name is congruent triangle. So first of all, I would like to thank my math teacher who gave me this wonderful opportunity to express my wonderful topic in the front of you. So let's start and understand about this topic. So first of all, I would like to tell what is the meaning of triangles. Triangle is a plane closed figure that is bounded by the three line segments. So here we take an example of the triangles. Here this is a figure of the triangle ABC. And a triangle ABC that is bounded by the three line segments AB, BC and CA. So this is called a triangle. So here the topic is congruent triangles. So congruent triangles means two figures are said to be congruent if they have the exactly same shape and the same size. So here the congruent triangles means two triangles are said to be congruent if two triangles have the exactly same shape and the same size. So there are some conditions that show the congruency of the triangles. So first condition is SAS condition. So let's start and understand about this condition. Yes condition. Yes stands for the side and the side. Means two triangles are said to be congruent if two sides and angle that is made by the two line segments are equal exactly to corresponding sides and angle to other triangles. So let's start and let's understand about this condition through example. So here is a triangle ABC and here is another triangle XYZ. These two triangles are said to be congruent to the SAS conditions if two sides, left side AB and BC and side XY and YZ are equal, but the angle that is made by the two line segments, the angle ABC and angle XYZ, should also be equal, so that it follows the condition of SAS. So these two triangles are said to be congruent. It means this triangle AB and XY, BC and YZ and the angle that is formed by these two line segments are equal. So this triangle is said to be congruent by the criteria of the SAS. So after that we will discuss about the second criteria for the congruency of the triangle. That second criteria is known as yes, and it means triple S criteria. This triple S criteria. So let's understand about this criteria. Yes criteria. This is also criteria for the congruency of the triangles. This criteria stands for the side criteria for the congruency of the triangles. This criteria says that if two triangles have all sides are equal, then two triangles are said to be congruent. So let's understand about this criteria through examples. So let's take two figures of triangles. Triangle BCD and triangle XYZ. So here is the two triangles BCD and the triangles XYZ. These two triangles are said to be congruent by the criteria of the side if the three sides and these three sides are exactly equal in the size and exactly equal in the shape and the size. So here if two triangles are said to be congruent if if these three sides of the triangles is equal in the length of the three sides of the three congruent sides of the other triangles. So here these two figures is said to be congruent. And after that the third criteria for the congruency of the triangle is AAS criteria. So let us start and understand about this criteria of the congruency of triangles. So third criteria is AAS criteria. AAS criteria stands for the angle side criteria. It means two triangles are said to be congruent if two angles of a triangles are equal in the measure and one side of any side of two triangles are equal, corresponding sides of a triangles are equal. So let's understand about this criteria through a figure. Let's take a figure of a triangle XYZ and another figure of a triangle ABC. Here the two figures of the triangles XYZ and ABC. According to the criteria of the angle and the side, these two triangles are said to be congruent if two angles of these two triangles are equal in the measures and the third sides are also equal. Third sides are also equal to the corresponding side of the other triangles. So let's understand about this figure. So by the criteria of angle and the side. So here this angle XYZ and is equal to this angle. This corresponding angle should be equal by the criteria of the angle and the side. ABC triangle angle ABC. And the other, let's take the other angle of the triangle XZY, and its corresponding angle should be equal by the criteria of the angle and the side. Triangle side ACB. And the third side any side we can be equal by the criteria of the angle and the side. Let's this side AXY and equal to the corresponding side of AB. So this triangle is said to be congruent if the angles, if any two angles of the triangles is equal to the in the measure of the third, is equal to the measure with corresponding angles of the other triangles, and another one side of should be equal to the corresponding side. So here two sides are said to be congruent. So after another criteria for the congruency of the triangles is ASA criteria. So let's understand about this criteria. First, and another criteria is ASA criteria. According to this criteria of the triangles, this congruent criteria of the triangles, two triangles are said to be congruent if two angles of the triangles is equal in the measure with corresponding to two angle of the other triangles, and the side that is formed between two angles should be also equal with the corresponding side of the another triangles. So let's understand about this criteria with a figure that let's two triangles ABC and another triangle XYZ. By the criteria of the angle side angle, two triangles are said to be congruent if two angles, that's this angle, and this triangle, this angle, are equal in the measure, and the line segment that is found between two angles should also be equal by the criteria of the angle side angle. It means this side and this side should also be equal to fulfill the criteria of the angle side angle criteria for to be congruent triangles. It means here the angle ABC and angle ACB are equal in the measure to the corresponding angles XYZ and XZY, and another side and the third side and another side BC and YZ should also be equal to fulfill the criteria of the congruence of the angle side angle. It means these two triangles are congruent by the criteria of the angle side angle, and another criteria like that RHS. So let's start and understand what is the criteria of the RHS.